What's going on, guys? Tech Ranter here. Well, it's been a while, but I'm back by popular demand to cover a very important issue right now. Obviously, stuff looks a little bit different. I'm filming on my couch right now instead of my desk. But I would like to announce to the world something very important. You've probably heard rumors about a new super flu going around called the coronavirus. Well, I am here to tell you today, these rumors are true. I am currently in day one of quarantine after my visit with the United States of America, and I would like to share with you a very important lesson to help you fight this deadly virus. Before I fully begin, I would like to point out I actually predicted this virus to spread over 2 years ago. Take a look at this clip.
The right wallpaper. The Samsung not read. What?
There's gonna be a global pandemic in 2020 called the coronavirus! If only the world had listened to me, we wouldn't be in this scenario now. As I'm sure you know, if you've seen most science fiction movies, that these viruses often lead to zombie outbreaks. This can be very scary for many, but if you're properly prepared, it will be no problem at all. So today I am going to show you how to create a flamethrower using nothing more than a match and an orange. To begin, I'm going to take my knife and a cutting board and an orange. Now this one I've already cut up a bit, but it will still do just as well. So first you're going to want to slice the orange, just the skin off the orange, into a little disc like so. I recommend using a serrated knife, much easier to get that initial cut through the orange. And you can do this, a few times, depending on how many zombies you feel you're going to have to be fighting off. Once you feel you have an ample number of pieces, you are now ready to begin construction of the flamethrower. Now I happen to have here, back from my good old youthful days of model building, a little model clamp, just like so. Now this works very well, but if you don't have one of these, which I'm sure many of you don't, a couple heavy books, your finger, anything really will work in this process. But I'm going to use this. I'm just going to clamp it down to my desk. There we are. And continue. Now this video is sponsored by Seafarer Matches. So shout out to Seafarer for making very quality wood matches. I will be using these matches today for my video. So what you're going to want to do is put the match just, less than a few millimeters down, or for you in the States, a small portion of an inch, into the vise and tighten it like so. Now, I recommend using one of Bic's quality lighters here. Shout out to Bic for making the cheapest lighters possible. Now, what you're going to want to do is light the match, just as so, wait for it to crackle, and squeeze the orange peel directly into the match. Let's just try that again, shall we? Let's try that again, shall we? Let's try that again, shall we? Whoa! There you are. There. There you have it. The orange peel flamethrower. Now these will come in very handy fighting against zombies. So I would like to thank you for watching my video, and I hope forward to seeing you again if the world does not fall into complete pandemonium. Tech Ranter out.